Welcome to GI Blueprint X. In today's video, we are going to be placing doors on this project. To do that, we are going to navigate to Design, double click on Doors. We are going to select the first kind of doors we are going to use for this project, which is the main exterior door of the parlor. Select Double Door 27. This 27 stands for the version of ArchiCAD which you are using. So if you are using ArchiCAD 23, you should see Double Door 23. If you are using ArchiCAD 24, you should see Double Door 24. So just select on it. Move to Preview and Positioning. I want the width of my door to be 1.20. The height, I want it to be 2.1. And the sealed height, I will make sure it's at 0. Navigate to Hinge Door Settings. Under door lift, I want to use style 7. On handles, I'm going to change this handle to handle 2. We are going to use this arrow to move to the next section. Make sure you select on uniform frame width. Make sure you select on uniform handles. And under 3D projection, make sure you select override model view options and deselect open line. Navigate to this, and finally, make sure under casing, you select outside and inside casing. Once you're done, you move to floor plan and section. Make sure your override object line types are selected. Your override object pen are equally selected. Under this color, you're going to change it to this. Equally make sure your override objects attribute is selected. Then you're going to change the color to this. And finally, the cut line pen, you're going to choose the color to be this. Once you're done, you move to Dimension Maker. Under No Maker, you're going to click here and select Basic Window Door Skyline Maker. Select on Uniform Marker. Move down to Marker Text Style. You're going to change the text height here to 0.7. And then on this A, you're going to adjust it to 75. Once done, move down to Marker Settings. Where you see by here, you're going to put X for the separator. Make sure you put lowercase x. Then you are going to move to Classification Properties. You are going to set the door ID for this project, and the door ID under D, here we see DR001. We are going to type in DR1, which is door type 1. Put a hyphen, and we are going to type 01. Then we are going to type 01, which is the amount of door number 1 that are found in that project. So once done, you're going to click OK and place the door this way. There is a key thing to do when you're about to start placing your walls, and that is to close your line width. How do you close your line width? You right click on select true line width. So we're going to select this door and move it to this wall edge. So we close the line thickness to ensure that we work faster and smarter. Okay, this is door type 1 and this is the first one. So we are going to move to the second type of doors, which we are just going to click on door. And we are going to choose the door with side line on side 1, 27. So if you're using any other version of ArchiCAD, you should just check. It should be 24, 23, depending on your version. And then we are going to move to Preview Positioning. This door, we are going to set the width to 1 meter. The door height will be 2.1. The seal height is 0. Move to Hinge Door Settings. We are not going to change anything here. It's just going to be okay. So we are going to place just the handle. So we are going to use handle 2. Navigate. Make sure your uniform frame width is selected. Under kickboard, make sure you place a kickboard outside. Okay, so we are going to navigate to 3D projection, select override model view options and unselect opening line. Make sure your outside and your inside casing is selected. Once done, you're going to move down to floor plan section, and it's just going to be okay because you already did the setting for the first door, so that's just fine. Move to marker settings, it will be the same. So now you're just going to move to classification style. You're going to see that it's DR102, but you are not going to do it that way. You're going to change it to DR2 and start with 01. Once done, you're going to click OK. So you start by placing the model door this way. So here is the first one. You are going to navigate to the first story and complete placing these doors. So you are going to place one this way. So deselect on doors and position it towards the edge. Same here, you are going to position it this way. And here you're equally going to position it this way. I want you to learn how to be able to flip doors. So I intentionally did this. Normally this door is supposed to open outside and this door is supposed to open outside. But how do you do it on ArchiCAD? You're supposed to select the door and you're going to select this door and you're going to click on rotate, and it's just going to send the door outside. To bring the door towards this direction, you're going to select at the midpoint and flip. Use the mirror command and you're just going to flip it this way. So you do the same for this door. Select the door, click on this point. You're going to use the rotate command and it's going to send the door outside. Select the midpoint of this door, which is this, and use the mirror command. On selecting upon it, is going to flip this way. So you're going to see that this door is door DR2, which is door type 2, and this is the first of its kind. When you move to the first story, you are going to see this is still DR2, that's door type 2, and it's this is the second one, this is the third, and this is the fourth. This will help you to enhance counting when you are doing your cost estimation. So you know that there are 4 of door type 2 in your project. The next kind of doors we are going to do are the doors of the room, which is door type 3. So you are going to double click on doors. For the room doors, we are going to use, like I told you, you are going to look at the version of your ArchiCAD. If it's 26, you are going to see door 26. Move to preview and positioning. It's already set. So the only thing you have to change now from this project is to go to classification properties and change the door from DR2 to DR301. Once done, you're going to click OK and you start placing the doors for your room. So the first door of the room opens this way. Place the door this way. Master's room, we are equally going to place a door this way and a door this way. So we are equally going to place this door in the main kitchen this way. We are going to move to the first story and do the same thing. Select on doors. We are going to place it only for the rooms, so we are going to start this way. And equally for this room. Once we are done, we are going to move into the last set of doors, which are 80 centimeters. Double click on doors and move down to classification properties. Change from DR3 and type in DR4, starting from 01. Then we're going to move to preview and positioning and make sure we set the width of the wall to 0.80. Once done, we are going to click OK. We are going to navigate to the ground floor and start with this. We're equally going to place a door in the toilet this way. For this toilet, we are going to place the door this way. Same with the toilet this way. So once we are done placing the walls on the ground story, we are going to move to the first story and place the doors on the kitchen and on the toilet. So we are going to move to the kitchen and place the doors. Toilet, we are equally going to place the doors. Toilet. So we are equally going to place it here. Once you're done placing your doors, you want to make sure that they are at the extreme of this wall. Then we equally have door 80s to use this way. So doors, like the door this way, is going to open inside. And equally we'll have a door here that's going to open inside. So we have our doors for this project placed. We are going to move into arrange the line pen for the doors. So we are going to navigate to options, come down to element attribute, We go to pen and color. This is the color of the doors. We are going to reduce it to 0.01. Once done, we are going to click OK. And then to see our doors properly, we are going to right click, move down to true line width, and we are going to have something like this. So while doing your cost estimate, it will be a little bit easier because your doors are already labeled. So we have here DR08, meaning door type 308, which is 90. So there are eight of them here. This is how I place doors in ArchiCAD. In the next video, I'll be teaching you how to place windows in ArchiCAD. See you.